Hello everyone, in this video I will help you to undo or revert a pushed commit in Git. You can see in this public Git introduction repository we have 3 commits and we have that first file txt. Okay, let's pretend like you made some big mess right here. Let's save. Let's open command prompt, position in this folder, stage the change, create commit with huge mess commit and push it to GitHub. Okay, this huge mess change is pushed. If you refresh the GitHub, you will have that huge mess commit, and this mess got on the GitHub. To actually revert this push commit, all you need to do is type git reset --hard head -1, and now head is at 1834259 commit, which is this one, first commit, as you can see. You can actually do this multiple times, and every time you execute this command you will go down on commits, but I want to just revert the last push. So when I confirm the time on the right commit, I will push it, git push, but I need to use -f for force operation, type origin and main, press enter. Okay, let's refresh, and that huge mess you made is gone. Okay, that will be pretty much everything for this video. Please like and subscribe if this helped you, and I hope you learned something new. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.